Exhale, you're stepping back into your power. Feel your energy pulling inward. Visualize your peace as gold light. Nothing gets in without your permission. I protect my energy. I protect my inner G. Come home to your center. You are your own sanctuary.